Asunto ska yhtiö Ketturin.
Also built in year 1955-56, Mirage not 92. Turned 65 years old between 2020 and 21. Or 21, 22. I'm sorry. So this the Prestige turned 30 years old last year, 2022, and it's Prestige 6368. And you can watch the XSALC here as well. It does have steroids, of course. Vaimin syläkerros.
Niistä sitten kaikki vaiskuttaa, että meidän teet vai Kone.
Yeah. The first one, and then one wide to 7 eye really tight.
Yeah.
Here's those of the new doors that are fitting
Yeah.
in here. But there should be that doors originally as well.
Yeah.
There was one in the US could have, but was more with bad generics.
Yeah.
Was it 10 in total?
Probably 9.
And then at half hours.
Yeah, this was from 1949. Or two of them.
So there's also here in Herttoniemi. Herttoniemi Helsinki was also in Finland. So this also goes to West Herttoniemi. That's Herttoniemi. West Herttoniemi. And that's it. Thank you very much. And please watch the exercise here. Because this is rare and very interesting also. Well then the call button on the main floor has the logo intact.
Yeah, that's